This home has 10 great restaurants in less than a mile. And 5 minutes to a new elementary and soon to be new Hamlin Middle School, next to South Pope Park, soccer goals, soccer leagues, basketball, jogging path, water fountain and benches. 5 minutes to Corpus Christi Bay and fishing, 5 minutes to hospitals and emergency rooms. Great home and location. This beautiful home in desirable Swander Place was completely remodeled over the last 5 years, new tile and engineered wood floors throughout, quartz countertops, wide trim and crown in living room and dining room. Double garage with utility room and workshop with washer and dryer hookups. This home is well insulated for economy throughout. Decorator light fixtures and fans. Quartz in kitchen and baths. New air conditioner 2017. New 50-gallon gas water heater in 2021. New roof and garage door opener in 2025. New kitchen remodel with all new cabinets, new quartz countertops. Gas oven and new appliances in 2019. Stainless refrigerator and microwave convey with full price. All PVC sewer lines, no cast iron. Passed hydrostatic test in 2025. Climate-controlled room 188 square feet added to back of garage, used for shop, laundry room, storage, art studio, etc. Washer and dryer convey, 55-inch TV with sound bar and living room conveys with full offer, new windows 5 years ago, insulation added to attic and ductwork, inspected, all garage walls insulated and paneled with pegboards and well lit with multiple lights and outlets. The seller has completed over $60,000 in improvements in the last 5 years. The home has a windstorm certificate, and a letter from Terminix assure there are no termites. We'd better look at this one today. And we will love having coffee on the front porch in the evenings and visiting with neighbors. The beautiful front door will charm our friends and family as they enter. The leaded glass front door is beautiful. The sellers met while walking their dogs on Bronner Parkway a block up the street. This home is full of love. Oh look! They left the TV on the wall in the living room. Add the dining room works out on the backyard. Look at all those cabinets. I'll be able to unpack Mom's dishes. And they say the microwave stays. I love having a kitchen window to look out when doing the dishes. Oh, perfect! I love a gas range and look at all those cabinets. This fabulous stainless refrigerator will make things easy. Oh, I love the smell of a cedar closet. And this 50-gallon water heater will provide hot showers for us and all of our guests. Lots of closets. These bedrooms are so big. What a beautiful room. This bathroom is gorgeous. Oh, I love the soft closing lids. Those will save many arguments about slamming the toilet seat. And we love these elongated toilets. The lighting in this bathroom is extraordinary. How clever! I've never seen this before. You could look out the window while showering or close the curtain for privacy. Look at that soaking tub. Finally, A bathroom with plenty of cabinets. Mom will love this vanity when she comes to spend the night. And the non-slip floor will be so safe. It's beautiful. All of these shelves will make everything so convenient. This is where Rover can let himself in and out. These gates are a nice touch. We could put an automatic opener on them. With this carport, all of the cars should be out of the weather. Or maybe a boat. And it has a brand new garage door opener. You could do your workshop at this bench in the garage. Then I can use the extra room for my studio. The washer and dryer in the garage is included with the full price offer. It wouldn't be that expensive to put it on the other side of the wall in the air-conditioned studio. This will make a great workshop or an arts and crafts studio. I'll flip you for it. I think we should tile it. It won't cost much if we get the tile on sale. It will be fun to decorate these decks. The foundation was updated in 2019 and is solid as a rock. The home has already passed the hydrostatic test and is ready to move into. And it has a brand new roof and a new windstorm certificate. This is the most upscale shopping center in Corpus Christi, less than a mile from our home. Hesters has great salads, soups, sandwiches, and a fabulous breakfast is served all day. Authentic Mexican cuisine. Thai cuisine. Traditional American. The village across the street also has great shops and restaurants. Great Italian food. Traditional American cuisine. Driscoll Children's Hospital is a 1-minute walk from the house. The emergency room and hospital is right next to Driscoll Children's Hospital. A 1-minute drive away. 5 minutes away, North Pope Park offers a walking and jogging path, basketball courts, soccer fields, and benches for relaxing. It continues as South Pope Park on the other side of the new Wilson Elementary School. A walking path all the way around the parks and the new elementary school is about 1 mile, if you're counting. Bronner Parkway is a block from our new home. What a great place to walk the dogs or go for a walk. The perimeter is 1 mile, or we could walk the slopes for a great workout. You know, Bob and Susie live in a community with these type of amenities, and they pay an extra room $450 a month in HOA fees. And that goes up every month. This is all free. The new Wilson Elementary School is up the street. This is the middle school. It has a great reputation and it is close enough to walk to school activities. Its new facility opens soon. I hear these schools have a great reputation. The new middle school will be open soon. Hamlin Middle School usually has their tennis courts open to the public. We could play pickleball. If you have high school age kids or grandkids, Ray High School is 1.5 miles. Natural Growers Organic Grocery Store is about a mile at Doddridge and Staples, across the street from McDonald's. Corpus Christi Bay is about a mile from this house. It features a picnic table and benches almost at water's edge. If you want to send this to a friend or family member, just copy this code and message it to them.